Does TCL Smart TV have YouTube? Yes, TCL Smart TVs support YouTube, allowing users to stream videos directly on their TV. Whether your TCL TV runs on Roku TV, Google TV, or Android TV, YouTube is available as a built-in app or can be downloaded from the respective app store. 1. YouTube on TCL Roku TV. TCL Roku TVs come with the YouTube app pre-installed or available for download from the Roku channel store. To access YouTube on TCL Roku TV, Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Navigate to streaming channels and search for YouTube. Step 3. Select Add Channel and install YouTube if it is not already on your TV. Step 4. Open YouTube. Sign in with your Google account optional and start watching videos. 2. YouTube on TCL Google TV and Android TV. TCL Smart TVs that run Google TV or Android TV come with YouTube pre-installed, as it is a core Google service. To access YouTube on TCL Google TV or Android TV. Step 1. Press the home button on your remote. Step 2. Find the YouTube app in the Apps section. Step 3. Open the app, sign in if needed, and browse videos. Step 4. If YouTube is not installed, go to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and install it. 3. YouTube features on TCL Smart TV. YouTube on TCL Smart TV provides full functionality, including HD and 4K streaming. Watch videos in high definition or Ultra HD resolution, depending on your TV model. YouTube Music. Access YouTube's music streaming service through the YouTube app. Voice search. Use the Roku Voice Remote or Google Assistant on Google TV to search for videos using voice commands. YouTube Kids. Install the YouTube Kids app separately for child-friendly content. 4. Troubleshooting YouTube issues on TCL Smart TV. If YouTube is not working or not loading, try these solutions. Check your internet connection. Ensure your TCL Smart TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Restart your TV, power off the TV, and turn it back on. Update the YouTube app. Go to the Roku Channel Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Clear cache and data for Google TV, Android TV. Go to Settings, then Apps, then YouTube, then go to Clear Cache, Data. Reinstall the YouTube app, uninstall and reinstall the app to fix glitches. TCL Smart TVs, whether running Roku TV, Google TV, or Android TV, fully support YouTube. The app is usually pre-installed, but can be downloaded from the Roku Channel Store or Google Play Store if needed. Users can also cast YouTube videos from their mobile devices or use external streaming devices to access YouTube.